friends. I wanted to read a story to you today that is written by Tuchel. It's about coughing and sneezing and more. But before I read the story, I'm going to put on my mask. My mask covers my nose and my mouth, and it keeps my germs close to me and away from you. Coughing, sneezing, and more. All people cough and sneeze. Coughing and sneezing can spread droplets and germs. I can try my best to cough and sneeze into my elbow, just like this. Wearing a mask can also help catch the droplets. If I'm not wearing a mask, coughing into my elbow is best. I should keep my fingers out of my nose. Fingers in noses can spread germs. Instead, I can use a tissue to clean my nose. I can throw away the tissue when I'm done. Then I should wash my hands for 20 seconds or use hand sanitizer to clean my hands. Another way to stop the spread of germs is by not touching my eyes, my nose, my mouth, or my face. If I'm wearing a mask, it is best to touch it only when I'm putting it on or taking it off. Keeping toys and school supplies out of my mouth will also help stop the spread of germs. My teachers and family will be so proud of me when I do my part to help stop the spread of germs. So remember, friends, wear your masks. Try not to touch your hands in your face, or try not to touch your face. Keep fingers out of noses and make sure you're doing lots of hand washing for 20 seconds with soap and water. If you can't find soap and water to wash your hands, make sure you use some hand sanitizer to get those germs away and rub them and scrub them until all the hand sanitizer is dry. All right, take care and thanks for helping stop the spread of germs.